A balloon?
Let it go.
Awesome! This is the best way Mom has ever told me that we are having
baby.
a baby. Hey, Baden, come here.
We're having another baby?
I don't know. Baden, look what I got for Christmas.
We're having another baby.
It says baby.
We're having another baby.
I know, Bo, you're gonna be a big brother. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but the baby's gonna come August of 2013, which means that Mom got pregnant this month, last month,
I'm almost 2 months. I am 2 months.
August.
Mom, you're gonna get a new baby.
What?
I'm almost 9 weeks.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Source for now?
Where's the baby?
What are you doing here?